If you're looking to improve your gameplay experience in Overwatch 2 by reducing the graphics settings, follow these simple steps to make the necessary adjustments. Step 1. Launch the game. Open Overwatch 2 on your computer. Wait for the game to fully load to the main menu before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Access options. From the main menu, locate and click on the Options button. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can adjust various game settings. Step 3. Navigate to Graphics Settings. In the Options menu, find and select the Graphics tab. This section contains all the settings related to the visual aspects of the game. Step 4. Adjust graphics quality. Look for the graphics quality settings. You can lower the overall quality by selecting a low preset like low or medium, or manually adjust individual settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and effects quality to lower values. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you click on the Apply button to save the changes. Then exit the Options menu to return to the game. By following these steps, you should notice improved performance in Overwatch 2. Enjoy your gaming experience.